Hello and welcome back, everyone. A lot has happened since I last met with you guys, but I finally got the cylinder head on and got the car running. Let me show you guys a clip of me starting the car right here. Alright, we're in. Let's see. I don't know if you can hear that. And it's driving good. The motor is actually. The motor's driving good. It's just this vibrating noise that I hear. It's fucking everywhere. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Just listen close. And then the ABS comes on. See, the ABS is now on. So I'm thinking wheel bearing. I realize I've been making these videos and I haven't even shown you guys the car. So here's a walk around of the Sunfire. It's a 2001 SRS, I think. I don't think it's RS. I'm gonna have to replace this front fender, and I'm gonna replace this bumper cover. A lot of minor dents. Some nice rims on there, held on by some nice zip ties. Nice professionally made plastic covers, wheel covers. But yeah, that's where I'm at so far, guys. I just had to check you guys up and update you to where I'm at now. Didn't want to leave you guys hanging and stop doing this. But yeah, I have a lot of surprises coming. We're gonna fix those wheel bearings first. I'm gonna worry about the fundamentals and take care of those to make sure it's drivable and safe. And then I might be adding a turbo kit. But like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, guys. Thank you so much, and stay tuned.